Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out from your account on the Coinplix application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coinplix application, and if you haven't signed out, you will notice that you will automatically be taken into your account. So if you wish to sign out, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will see the Logout button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your account. Tap on the red yes button and now you will be logged out from your account right away. If you wish to log back in, you will need to tap on the check boxes and then tap on the login button and choose your Google account that you used while you signed up in the first place. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Coinplix application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.